Some people really like their iPhones. Some people wish they were a little bigger. Guess what? This is the iPhone 6 Plus, and it is a big sucker. It has a 5.5-inch display, and let me hold up my old iPhone 5S just for comparison. My phone is smaller than this phone's entire display. It has 2 million pixels in that display. It is a Retina HD display, but the phone is actually thinner than the previous iPhone 5S. It is 7.1 millimeters as opposed to 7.6 millimeters. This new screen allows you to see more when you're looking online, and Apple has incorporated some clever tricks, because one of the problems with a very large display is, how do you get your thumb from here to there if you're not Andre the Giant? Well, what you can do is, you can actually just double tap on the home screen, and the contents of that screen comes down so you can reach all around. The phone will be available for pre-order on September 12th, then sold in stores on September 19th. It starts at $199 for 16 gigabytes, $299 for 64 gigabytes, and $399 for a new 128 gigabyte threshold.